It's the end of the month, and we all know that that's the time of the Maker Box. I don't know what it is. It's like Christmas every month where you get to just see what's inside. And I don't know. It's fun. Stick around. Let's see what's inside. I'm Ron, and this is my place. So here we go. January Maker Box. Fun, fun, fun. Big surprise, it's a black Maker Box. The same as all the others. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So, we have big surprise, discount codes. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry. And we have some verbatim business card. And we have a the ERF. Not the MRF, the ERF, the East Coast 2018 Maker Fair. It looks like the Rip Rap Festival. Yeah. Where's that going to be? I should know this. I don't know this. Summer 2018. I'm going to have to look it up. Definitely the East Coast. That much I can tell you. Anyway, that's cool. And another little card from Verbatim. A little bit of advertisements, as they say. Let's see what's inside. Oh, different. This is Starburst. I like Starburst. That's cool. We'll eat Starburst. So we have, it's upside down, hopefully you all can read it. MatteForge, Advanced Matte PLA. 180 to 220, typical room temp for bed. Room temp to 60, I should say. Nothing, a premium high quality PLA with a matte finish for high quality visual prints. Kind of a, you can see, kind of a grayish color. So there you go. And oh, big surprise, Verbatim. That would be a, looks like 210 to 230 for the hot end. The bed 100, so it likes a really hot. Oh, it's the polypropylene. Soft and chemical resistant polymer, sticks well to PT tape. Print supported like a flexible filament. Doesn't feel all that flexible, but yeah. All right. See what that's like. Some ASA. So ASA, it looks like it's some 230 to 240 on the hot end. Bed's 80 to 110, so it definitely likes a hot bed. Slow it down a little bit, 30 to 90. Functional material with similar properties to ABS. Includes UV inhibitors. So good for outside stuff. Less warped than ABS is always good. It's kind of got a silver similar to the Prusa silver. Definitely a good mix this time. It's kind of neat. Ooh, this looks fancy. What's this? Got a really thick bag, nice vacuum sealed. That's not often. Usually it's just Ziplocs. So this is from Form Futura Sticks 12. 240 to 270, really hot. 80 to 120, print slow. 30 to 60. An industrial PA12 grade nylon. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, yeah, it's got a nice. Yeah, that is got a nice nylon feel to it. Combines mechanical and chemical hydroscopic properties with printability. Nice white. So that's kind of cool. I'll have to do some prints on that and see what I do. I always have a hard time, and I think I'm going to I always have a hard time with all these filaments to decide what to print with them, which is probably why I have a ton to print. Probably, I just was going through them last night. I think I have 6 boxes stuffed full. 5 boxes stuffed full, something like that. I've been getting it for a while. I need to just break down. I've been working on a maker coin that I think maybe would be a good one to start printing. It's just hard to say because there's not a ton in each of these, but we'll have to try. So there you go. It's kind of a neat one. You got some PLA, some polypropylene, some ASA, and a type of nylon. Really good mix this time around, so I like it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you saw what you want, and I think what I'm going to do is grab one of these and do a print and include that along. I don't know which one. Maybe I'll chicken out and do the PLA. It's nice and simple, but that's what we'll do. So I printed a maker coin out in the advanced matte PLA. I think it actually turned out pretty darn good. The layer lines amazingly get hidden. I mean, that first layer, it's bizarre. And if you compare that to this, I mean, again, this is a good print. This is Prusa PLA. It's just absolutely amazing, the difference, though. I mean, slight difference in size, but wow. I actually played with the infill settings too, or the out, you know, how it filled in, and it's that pattern. I think it looks pretty nice. Thanks for watching. See you when you get back. And I do appreciate all the views, the subscribes, and ring that bell if you want to hear when I have something new coming. I truly appreciate it. Thank you much.